So as you just saw, there is so much you can do with the G Suite ecosystem. As many of you do, we love replacing tedious tasks with clever solutions. And that applies to how we continue to make G Suite more useful, efficient, and user-focused. We're even using machine learning internally to help build better products. The basic idea here is that machine learning is a sort of tool we're building into every aspect of our company. This actually started a while back with a simple experiment with Smart Reply in Gmail. And that led to a much greater initiative to help users become better writers and not just autocorrecting what they write. If you haven't heard about it, we have two very useful features in G Suite: Smart Compose in Gmail and Grammar in Docs. You can let Gmail help you write emails faster using Smart Compose. The Smart Compose feature is powered by machine learning, and you can actually finish your sentences for you. It gives you suggestions as you type. How did our team go about the creation process for Smart Compose? They iterated from our development of Smart Reply for Gmail. Users could choose one of three pre-written responses. Product managers plugged into the service that can autocomplete your Google search queries. And keep in mind that unstructured language is way more complicated than search queries. There were many iterations, and various designs look like they tested before settling on the type-ahead style you can use in Gmail today. The other new feature, Grammar for Docs, aims to improve collaboration and communication between users without turning technology into a crutch. The Google Docs team wanted to help users improve and become better writers. They started with the existing spelling correction built into G Suite. This is great because it's already a context-aware feature. Like, you probably mean to type aisle, A-I-S-L-E, even though I-S-L-E, aisle, is a valid word. Grammar is much more complex and subjective than spelling. Fun fact, the team building the feature couldn't even agree on the grammar rules. So they took a different approach, and they decided to apply machine learning to translation. But instead of solving the problem of translating between two languages, they solved the problem of translating within one language, from incorrect to correct. After another round of design experiments, we ended up with a feature that can help writers improve in two ways. As you write, contextual suggestions will appear with blue underlines. And if you prefer to write first and then revise, there's an overall spelling and grammar check that walks you through all of the suggestions. Now we're going to switch gears a little bit and move on to a session on serverless technology on Google Cloud. What does serverless mean? Serverless lets you write and deploy code without the hassles of managing the underlying infrastructure. It enhances developer productivity by helping focus on what matters the most, building great applications and abstracting the rest away. Zero server management, no upfront provisioning, auto-scaling to meet traffic demands, and paying only for the resources used are just some of the benefits of serverless computing. Stay tuned to learn more.